Graphene is an allotrope of carbon consisting of a single layer of atoms arranged in a two-dimensional honeycomb lattice nanostructure. So what does all that mean? That means that the new Blackmagic Intense Graphene line just raised the bar. Insane protection with amped-up gloss, slickness, and color depth. Introducing Blackmagic Intense Graphene Quick Detailer and Tire Shine, specially formulated with proprietary Graphene Armor Nanotechnology to deliver insane protection. A whole new level of detailing. Intense Graphene Quick Detailer gives your car the ultimate refresh it needs. UV protection, dust and dirt repellency, and extreme hydrophobicity protect against water spots and other contaminants that dull your finish. It's quick, it's easy to use on wet or dry surfaces, and delivers an outstanding finish that you can be proud of. And just when you thought it couldn't get any more intense, Intense Graphene Tire Shine delivers both shine and protection in one. Graphene weaves with shine enhancers to provide crazy protection and a streak-free, wet finish for your tires with an unparalleled depth of black. An insane shine that you can take pride in. Blackmagic. Take pride in your ride.